Hello, so I believe I'll just be picking up from last time. Gonna keep going through, trying to make uh myself able to edit the names, the client names. So I'll get on that. Alright. I'll let you know when something interesting happens. Alright, so I just want to edit. The edit button does work. It's got some tags here we don't like. Uh I like it when it manifests itself with line 26 on notes and edit. Okay, let's go like right, line 26 is here. That makes sense already. Give me a sec while I change all the body bits to client ID. Alright, I went through and swapped out all the body bits with client ID, all apart from maybe here. Well, I should have swapped out ID with client ID. So client name and then client ID here. So fingers crossed, this might take a long time. Forget. Yeah, I thought that would happen. But we go a bit further. So I'll have a look at that and I'll let you know what happens. Alright, we were making a patch request when I tried to edit it, so I think there's only one patch bit here, and that is voila. So let's go to notes and update.php. What is it? To update.view. Let's have a look. Alright, so looking at update.php, we've got current user ID. Do not want that. I saw the same stuff again. Oh, I've been here before. Alright. No, not really. Okay, I can see a lot of things wrong with this. I'll have a look through. And I'll let you know what I did. Alright, so I quickly changed the note bit, so select all from client, where client ID equals, and then I pass in the client ID from the post request. Alright, I'll look at the next bit. Authorize note user ID equals current ID. Don't need it, because if you're logged in, you're authorized to do this. Find the corresponding note. Okay, anyway, errors, sure. Okay, I think we have 1 in 100 for names. Uh, Here we are. Name, name, name. Now we'll look at the next bit. I'll get back to you in a sec. Alright, I've quickly replaced the query bit, so I'm passing in client ID and passing in client name instead. Redirect the user. Sure, that's fine. Alright, let's give it a go. Undefined array client ID here. Client ID here. Line 11. I'll go look. Alright, so I had to look at the post request I'm sending through, and we've got methods, patch, client name, Borgut. And then I was saying client ID is actually just still ID. So I'm just going to quick look at here. I think it must be where client ID is equal to ID. I think. And then, or maybe, and then, and here I get the ID. I quickly save that. Just give that. I think that's the only place I need it. Give that another go. And after oh yeah, the way I did it was by dying and dumping the post. Let's save. Not sure what happened there. So Edit. Ah, so it's not actually updating. Okay, that's not great. I'm gonna go and see what I can do about that. Right, there we are. I just fixed it. Now I can update things. So I change it to Borg at. Let's change it back to Borg. Here we are. Alright, so I'm going to make sure it's a delete button because I think if it's out a while ago, it was removed. Okay, so here we have a destroy.php. I believe this all works. Well, it would have worked. This would work. Uh, this would not work. Alright, hang on, we don't even need this. Get no from IT. Well, IT. Okay, no, sorry, this would not work. This needs to be client. Alright. Thing is to work. I'm just gonna quickly. I need to make sure it's actually cool, so I'm gonna go over look at that. I'm just gonna quickly fix up this as well. So it's in notes, which isn't good because we want clients. So looking at this, we've got a footer plus MT6. Here's where we call the edit button, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna literally copy this and hopefully change a couple of small things. I'm not sure if it works with two footers. Hopefully it does. Let's say destroy. Uh, we'll have it under delete. Let's just go see what happens in the browser. I go for delete. Yeah, page not found. Okay. So if I go back and then if I go notes, org, edit, then it does go to the right place. So I'm gonna go look at that. Alright, see you in a sec. Alright, so last time we actually used a patch. I believe a patch request. No, it was anyway, we had to get I don't think it was patch, but we actually it was patch. Anyway, this time we need to use a delete request. I'm just gonna go look around, see what happened there, because I know I definitely used to have it way back. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's happened for that.